it's Jennifer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so and you will get notifications when I post. Today we are going to make an activity or make something that is related to visual perception. Visual perception is broken down into several different areas, and I will do other videos related to the other areas later. But for today, we are going to talk about figure ground, visual figure ground. That is being able to identify an object from a busy background. So if you drop something on a carpet that has a pattern, can you find it? If your child's bedroom has a lot of things on the floor and you ask them to run in and get their shoe, can they find it? That's visual perception. It's also related to identifying letters in words and on a board when a teacher is teaching. Can they find the word the on a page? So anyway, it's super important and relative to writing and reading. So I'll give you some examples. You could also find this in books like Where's Waldo? But any picture book, you can use visual perception, or you're using visual perception and specifically figure ground. So in this page, on this side, there are a few items. So I would use this page with younger children. And I would ask them to find maybe the clown, or the clown's hat, or the clown's foot, or the doll's bow. But on this page that is much busier, it's going to be more challenging. So I'm going to ask them to find a book, or an airplane, or a ball. Just pick one specific item and ask them to find it. So they're using visual scanning skills to find that specific item. Okay? So another type of book that you would find that is good for working on visual perception is I Spy. And today we are going to make our own I Spy bottle. Now, using an I Spy bottle, you have objects inside and you're going to find the objects. So it's great for somebody who you're trying to get more language out of. So if you put a rubber band in there, can you find something that's stretchy? Or if you put letters in there, what word starts with that letter? Or if you have a child with articulation problems, maybe you can specifically put words or put items in there that would target that child's articulation problem. So let's get to it. Now, just in case, and I can't imagine that this wouldn't happen, but just in case you don't stay to the end, make sure that you super glue the top so that you don't have rice everywhere. Okay? This is also a great activity for a birthday party DIY take-home gift, or you can make it for a friend, or it's great in the back seat of a car while you're driving and your child is looking for something to do to keep them busy. Love it. So, water bottle, rice, I've already filled it up halfway, and I scoured my kitchen for items, and I came up with many. So I'm going to fill it up halfway because it makes it easier to have them blend in there. I have a match and a straw. And if your child helps to make these, you're also working on fine motor skills, and the items you pick will be meaningful to him or her. A birthday candle, a pom-pom, a pipe cleaner, a twisty tie from bread, a ring, a crayon, a rubber band, a parrot, which I have no idea where it came from, a dime. I like using money too, it really works on those math skills. A key, the letter P, oops, a nickel, a screw, we'll come back to that, a button, a marker cap, and a soccer patch, which I don't even know why I still have because my grown kids are out of the house, and a paper clip. Yay, word retrieval. So I have my funnel and my rice, and I'm going to fill the rest of the bottle. Oops. There we go. Now, if you used color rice, that would make it more difficult, but it is definitely an option. So put that lid on, you're going to super glue it, and I am going to shake it. So there you go. You're gonna have your child find different items. Oh, I see something that goes on top of a pen. Oh, and I see something that is blue. So have fun with this game and know that they are working on visual perception skills. Thanks, have a great day, and wash your hands. Stay safe.